up, guys? At it again. Let's see what they have. Same old these Hot Wheels. They stocked up on these pop culture cars that not very many people care about, obviously. So those are staying there. Glow in the dark monster trucks. Nice. They put out some of these new muscle machine cars. Here's the 2013 Ford Mustang Boss 302. Here's another beauty right here, the 1971 Chevy Camaro. And you've seen that one before. Zingers, Matchbox. Lots of peg warmers here, so let's move it along. Here's this cool 2006 Ford Crown Victoria. Here's Rick Hunter's 1977 Plymouth Fury. And there's another one back there. Some Fast and Furious cars. Alright, looks like that's pretty much it, guys. Let's move on to the next door. What's up, guys? At it again. Let's see what they have. Not even gonna bother there. Look at all those gaps. Let's see over here. They have some of these Disney Pixar Lightyear cars. So these are the cars that make up the set. Feel free to pause the video if you'd like to see. I think they, let's see, left that yellow one and they left this hauler. So anyways, let's move it along. Color shifters. These guys are still here. Let's move it along. Working rigs. These car sets. Check that out. Justice League. We have some of these Jurassic World cars as well. There's that one. So these are the 6 cars that make up the set. Feel free to pause the video if you'd like to check them out. Let's see. Got some M2s. Here's a 1966 Dodge Charger Gasser with custom wheels. Here's a 1974 F100 custom 4x4 with a Fanta livery. And there's another Gasser. Here's a 1971 Chevrolet Camaro SS396. It's pretty cool. I like the color and everything. Gotta pick this one up. And here's a 1965 Ford Econoline van. Put this one back. Some more of these vans. Here's some hauler and cart combo. I believe we've seen all these before. Let's see what they have down here. Maestos. Let's check these out, guys. Here's a 1971 Chevrolet Chevelle SS. This one's pretty cool. Oh, this is sweet. I know a Mustang hunter would love this one. This is a 1970 Ford Mustang Boss 429. This one is so sick, man. The box is damaged. That kind of sucks, but look at this one, guys. 1971 Pontiac GTO. Man, this is so sick. And the 2005 Corvette CSR with the Advan livery. Check that out. Pretty cool. And that's pretty much it, guys. I'll catch you guys in the next store. What's up, guys? I'm at it again. Let's see what they have in store for us today. Let's see. Looks like they stocked up on some more of these pop cultures. They got some more Fast and Furious. Let's see. That one. Nice. Mountain Drifters. Here's the 03 Honda NSX. Here's a Toyota AE6 Sprinter Terreno. Beautiful. Here's a Fast and Furious truck. Don't mind taking another one. Here's the Liberty Walk Silhouette Nissan Skyline. And here is the 95 Toyota Celica GT4. And last but not least, we have the Mitsubishi 3000 GT VR4. Unfortunately, there is no chase, but overall, it's a pretty good score. Let's see what they have over here. Nothing. Look at all this crap, guys. Those of us who live in Orange County know exactly who's doing all this crap. Anyways, guys, I'll catch you guys in the next store. What's up, guys? I'm at it again. Let's see what they have in store for us today. Let's see. Yeah, we've seen all this before. Let's take a look at the Auto World. No freaking way. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Nice. Nice. Not bad for a Sunday morning. Let's keep on looking, guys. See what else we could find. Seen all of this before. We haven't got any of the car culture cars. And that is pretty much it. Well, catch you guys in the next one. Not a bad score.